I'm in Melbourne's eastern suburbs, and earlier this week we had a lot of wind, and 5 trees went down. Like this one, for instance, it's got a big crack. It didn't go down, but this one is not very safe. But anyway, we'll see what they're going to do with that one. This big pine tree, it was on my side of the fence, and just as well it didn't fall the other way. But anyway, huge root ball just ripped up the fence, and it's huge, just went down. Then there's this one here. See, the soil is pretty moist, and the wind just blew them over. Then you got one up here. This one here had probably been eaten by termites, because it doesn't look too healthy. But anyway, so that doesn't look too healthy, and that's gone down. So it's a pretty big tree. So the backyard looks like a bit of a mess. I got a quote this week. Sorry, they didn't get back to me yet, but I'm getting a couple of quotes for the insurance, because it's just this branches and trees and everywhere. And then there's another couple down here. So one smaller tree down the bottom there, the black one there, wild cherry or whatever that is, and then another one, pretty tall tree, got blown over as well. So it's all a bit of a mess at the moment, but anyway, another couple of weeks, and 1 or 2 weeks, and then it'll all be cleaned up again.